Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Sony device, Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this smartphone. So let's get started. At the third place of our top is Niagara launcher. So to install this theme, you need to find Play Store, open it, and find here Niagara launcher. Install this application. Click open. Agree and continue. And great, here select your favorite applications, what are you using every day, and click OK. Great, as you can see here we have really simple design with a user-friendly and minimalistic interface. In order to find any application in this launcher, you just need to touch your finger on the alphabet line and drag your finger to the desired letter. For example, if you want to find Gmail, just drag it to G letter, and here you will see Gmail, Google, Genshin, and another application, and other applications starts with G letter. Great. So if you want to set this theme as default, you need to open settings, then apps, then default apps, and here home app. Click on home app and here choose Niagara launcher, and now it will be your home application. Great, so it's cool. And on the second place we have Smart Launcher 6. So let's find Play Store and let's find Smart Launcher 6. Wait for it. So cool. Now click open, click get started. I agree, confirm, continue. While using the app, allow. Here you can change the wallpapers. Click confirm. Here you can pay for additional features, but you can use it for free. And great. I don't want to set this as default right now, so I just want to show you this launcher. So here, as you can see, we have a really beautiful interface. Really, it's the most beautiful launcher I have seen. Here you see Smart Search. Smart Search indexates all your documents, your contacts, your files in your in your files application, and if you want to search file in your system, just type the name of this file in Smart Search and it will find it. So it's a really great tool, and it's easy to use. And in main menu we have a great feature, this feature grouping all applications in categories. As you can see here, I have chats, here I have my internet surfing applications, here I have games, here I have media, here I have utilities and settings. So I think it's really easy to use. And of course, if you don't know where to find any application, just use search button to search by index. For example, I want to find Play Store, press P, and here you will see all application starts with P. Okay, but it's really fine, beautiful launcher, but in the first place is Microsoft launcher. So just find it. Microsoft launcher. find it, click install. Click open. Get started by using the app, allow, continue, skip. Okay, so right now you can pick up your favorite. You can connect your Microsoft account with the Microsoft Launcher. If you will do that, your Microsoft device, your laptop on the Windows or your PC, will be synchronizing with your smartphone. So if you will get the message on your smartphone, you will get it in this time on your computer. So you can call using your PC, you can message using your PC. So it's a really great tool to make the pair with your computer and with your smartphone. So of course you can set this as default, and great. So this launcher is the most customizable launcher ever. So for example, here we see launcher settings button. So by clicking on it, you will enter into launcher settings. Here, as you can see, we can set up really everything. We can set up wallpapers, okay. We can set up themes, tones, accent, color. As you can see, I can make it warmer, for example, and now accent of my theme color is warmer everywhere, as you can see. And of course, we can set up home screen, icons, layout, icon appearance, notification badge, and more. Here we can set up dock, and of course in dock we have 2 lines of applications available on the every screen. Here we have our glance panel. Here we can add our favorite widgets and applications. So just hide Microsoft widgets if you are not using Microsoft applications, and click Edit this view, add widget, and add, for example, Google Calendar widget. Click Create, and here you will see your Google Calendar widget. So it's really handy to use, and I think this is the most customizable and most the most handy launcher, because you can set up it in this way you want. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.